You are going to love 2017 Camaro. Camaro was developed to be 21st century on every level, from its awe-inspiring design to its outstanding performance to its impressive efficiency, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power sunroof, remote engine start, traction control, power passenger seat, premium wheels, air conditioning, dual airbags, Bluetooth, power steering. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.